morning everyone. Today we will see exercises of chapter 10, that is our earth. First is choose the best answer. I think you all can see there are options given, so you can do this easily. Before doing this, go through the chapter thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times, then you will be able to do it nicely. Now moving to question number 2. Make 12 sentences. Here you all can see a big yellow box in which some columns are given. Some words are written as well. So I will be speaking few sentences. In the same way you all have to make sentences. Let's see how. When I was a baby, I used to cry sometimes, but I don't know. When I was small, I used to play in the park, but I don't know. When I was young, I used to play with little children, but I don't know. When I was only 4, I used to stay at home, but I don't know. So like this you all have to make sentences. Now let's see question number B. When I was younger, I used to not play football, but I do now. When I was little, I used to not go to the movies, but I do now. When I was a baby, I used to not swim in the sea, but I do now. So like this you all can make a lot of sentences, and please practice this as it is very important. Question number 2 is very important. Please practice this as much as you can. Okay, coming to question number 3. Give short answers. Yes, I did, or no, I did not. You have to just answer how. Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Let's see question number B. Did you go to the movies when you were 2 years old? I think many of you are smiling. Obviously no one will go to watch movies when he or she was 2 years old. So answer will be no, I didn't, or no, I did not. If we see question number F, did you help your mother when you were a baby? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. So just like you have to answer, either you have to answer yes, I did, or no, I did not, according to the question. It's very easy, I think. And you can see here a lovely bicycle as well. Now coming to question number 4. Give replies like the ones in the example. The way reply has been given in the example, in the same way we have to give replies. Let's see how. Let's see first example. Do you eat sweets? No, I don't. I used to eat sweets, but I don't now. Do you live in Srinagar? No, I don't. I used to live in Srinagar, but I don't now. So, after analyzing these 2 examples, we came to know that no, I don't, you have to use in all your answers from 1 to 10. Again I am repeating, no, I don't, you have to use from question number 1 to question number 10 answers. And apart from that, you have to use I don't now as well. Means before solving this exercise, please go through the example, the way it has been solved, in the same way you all have to solve. I am clear here. So let's see some question. Let's see question number 4. Do you read picture books? So what will be the answer? No, no, I don't. I am speaking answer of question number 4. The answer will be no, I don't. I used to read picture books, but I don't now. I hope you all are clear how you all have to solve this. Again, I am repeating answer of question number 4 this. No, I don't. I used to read picture books, but I don't now. Like this. Okay, let's see question number 10. Do you play with little children? So what will be the answer? No, I don't. I used to play with little children, but I don't now. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number 10 here. No, I don't. I used to play with little children, but I don't now. I think most of you have understood this. Moving to B. Do you watch television? Yes, I do. I used to not watch television, but I do now. Whatsoever we have done in question number A, we have to do same thing question number B. Only words are changed here. In the place of no, you can see, the place of no, I don't, we are writing yes, I do. And in the place of I don't now, we are writing I do now. And in the place of I used to, we are writing I used to not. That's it. The rest everything is same. The way we are going to solve this question number B is same as question number A. But still we see few examples. Do you watch television? Yes, I do. I used to not watch television, but I do now. Let's see another example. Do you like music? Yes, I do. I used to not like music, but I do now. So I think many of you have understood how you all have to solve this. Let's see a few questions. Let's see question number 3. Do you comb your hair? Yes, the answer will be yes, I do. I used to not comb my hair, but I do now. It's very easy. I'm telling the answer of question number 3, this 3. Yes, I do. I used to not comb my hair, but I do now. Let's see question number 8. Do you help your mother? The answer of question number 8 will be yes, I do. I used to not help my mother, but I do now. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number 8. Yes, I do. I used to not help my mother, but I do now. I think all of you have understood this. It's very easy. But still, I would like to say you all, before solving these size, go through the examples. Try to figure out the pattern on which it has been solved. It is very, very important.